Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. As you guys know, this Challenger's had a brand new Hemi installed like 10,000 miles ago, and since then I haven't really done anything major to it besides change the air filter, but performance mods pretty much been stock. But now we're going to go ahead and install this port intake manifold and see if we actually get any performance gains over the times, because as you guys remember, the last time I ran a real good 0 to 60 in this car, I think we ran a 4.1. So now I'm very curious to see with a port intake manifold if that time is going to increase, improve. Who knows what's going to happen, but let's go ahead and find out, guys. All right, guys, we got some grip right now. Let's do this. Nope. We're all over the place, guys. That was not a good run. All right. All right, here we go. Now, guys, we're just spinning. We spun a lot off the line on that one, so it wasn't such a great time, but let me show you guys what we got. That was a 4.3, so I'm still surprised we got a 4.3 because we were spinning a lot. So 12.5, 112, that's not really that great. All right, let's take it off sport mode, let the car run a little cooler, and we're gonna try down the second section. Let's give it another shot. Let's see how we do. All right. Hopefully get some grip. Guys, it's putting out more power, that's for sure. It's just spinning the tires too much. If I can't get the grip, we're not gonna get no good 0 to 60 times. And the tires are deflated. It's just grip is not good right now. Let's try one more time. Oh. So we got a problem with traction right now, guys, and it's really bad. All right, let's try one more time. 0 to 60. Nah, that's really bad. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, that was bad. So right off the bat with that port intake manifold, we're putting more torque down on the floor and it's causing more wheel spin. So that's the problem right now. So far it's a fail. That's not so bad. 4.4. Alright. 4.4, 12.6, 112. I probably should have come out a little bit earlier than this then, because the heat is not helping. Alright guys, so pretty much that was a complete fail. You know, we didn't get the times we wanted. The tires were slipping too much. The 392 Hemi is making a little bit more power. I'm not really sure how much more power, but it's enough to keep spinning those tires, and I just can't get any traction. So we're really gonna have to wait for a day that has some better air in it, where the road is not so hot and it's spinning, because it feels like hockey pucks behind the tires, and pretty much I don't think we're gonna be able to do anything else to it. Anyways guys, that's gonna cut it short for today's video, and thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys till next time.